In this video, I'll detail how to enable color correction on Android phone. So, if you are using a Android phone and you discover that the colors are mixed, or you want to revert back to the default color on your Android phone, just need to turn on the color correction feature on your device. So if you are done with this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn on color corrections on your Android phone is go to your Android phone settings. Now while on the settings page, just scroll down and click on additional settings, then tap accessibility. If your phone do not have additional settings, just go ahead and click on accessibility, then come here and click on vision. Once you click on vision, scroll down a bit, then you should see color correction, tap that. Then if color correction is enabled, just like this, then you can easily come back here, tap on the color correction, and then toggle off use color correction. That is going to turn off color correction on your Android phone. Now to enable the color correction on your Android phone, just turn this on, and if you go back to your Android phone, this is what you're going to see on the home screen. And if you come back here again, choose or configure your color corrections that you want to use. You see that? Then to disable the color correction, just turn off this. This is going to revert back the color correction to what you were using before or default. So that's how to turn on or turn off color corrections on Android phone. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.